Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to check a trademark on the USPTO website. First, navigate to the official United States Patent and Trademark Office website. Once there, locate and click on the Trademarks section. Then, you will want to find the Trademark Electronic Search System, commonly known as TESS. For your initial search, select the Basic Word Mark Search, New User, option. This will provide a straightforward starting point for your investigation. Now that you are in TESS, type your proposed trademark into the search box. You can refine your search by selecting specific fields, such as wordmark, to find exact text matches, or goods/services to see what products or services are associated. After entering your term, click Submit Query. Carefully examine the list of results for any marks that are identical or confusingly similar to yours. When reviewing your search results, it is crucial to look for marks that are not only identical, but also confusingly similar to your proposed trademark. Pay close attention to the status of each mark. A live mark indicates active protection, while a dead mark is no longer protected. Also, carefully note the specific goods and services listed for any potentially conflicting marks, as this context is vital. If your initial search yields many results or is unclear, consider performing a more advanced search using different TESS options. For comprehensive advice and to ensure the best chance of registration, it is highly recommended to consult with a qualified trademark attorney. Remember, conducting a search provides valuable insight, but it does not guarantee that your trademark will ultimately be registered by the USPTO.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.